I'm going ahead with is this simple paper cup. As you can see, we have a circle here, we have a circle here, the connecting line in the between. You can see it on here also. We have a connecting line that is connecting two 2D circles and then make it into a 3D shape. Anyone who's working on smaller objects, I would suggest keep it far from you so you can have a better understanding of the height and breadth of the object instead of keeping it up close like this. First, we'll make a circle with light hands, as light as you can. We'll not go into details in the beginning, so yes. And we'll take center of the circles, draw a straight line, and draw some more circles. So, as you can see, we have two connecting circles that are connected by a single center line. Then we'll take both the corners. I'm marking the corners so you can see them better. Okay. Don't drag the pencil, just glide your hand. Use your side of the palm, drag it over your sheet to draw a simple light line. Just this, this. Okay. We'll not erase the inner part completely so we can have the depth. Okay. Now what we have is a glass. As you can see, we started from 2D shapes